adrenaline pumps as you dive into a sea of hands and body surf the wave. The other stations...
89.5
rocks.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time. It's now 11:25 a.m. Time check brought to you by Ulticare Medical Center, located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For inquiries, you may call them 047-602-6200. And Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care.
Ulticare Medical Center. Ulticare Medical Center. Now open. Services offered. 24-hour emergency care services. Outpatient department. Dental clinic. Pharmacy. Clinical laboratory. Center for radiologic imaging. Center for cardiac care. Pulmonary unit. Center for wellness and health. Hemodialysis. HMO concierge. Ambulatory surgery clinic. And nursing services. Ulticare Medical Center. For more information, please call 047-602-6200-209. Visit and like our official Facebook page. We are located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For emergencies, you may call 0993-219-8273. Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. The Morning Brew Show with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Second hour of this radio show, 11:27 on the dot. And time for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. We have this report from the Daily Tribune. 3 students from the Special Education Center for the Gifted, or SPED-G, Kalayaan in Subic Bay Freeport recently earned 3rd place in the Future Innovators category at the 23rd Philippine Robotics Olympiad. The competition held at Ayala Mall's Trinoma in Quezon City saw the triumph of grade 6 students Anne Margaret A. Inton, Drew Triguero, and Zyrene Tantay of the Aerosense team. They were guided by coaches Maria Alon Ilago, John Lester Perez, and Principal Abdon Baile. The team's entry, named Aerosense, featured a ESP32 drone-based system designed for real-time environmental monitoring of air quality, humidity, and temperature. The RoboMission Finals with the theme Earth Allies took place on 29th of July at the Felta Multimedia Center. During their courtesy call to Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino congratulated the team and their coaches. He said that he is very proud of their achievements, and they have shown the country's best and brightest robotics students come from Subic Bay Freeport. Mabuhay, according to Alino. All right, so there you have it, the latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Subic Freeport students placed 3rd in Philippine Robotics Olympiad, the Aerosense team. Okay, awesome piece of news. All right, and here's an invite for you guys coming from our friends at G1 Entertainment Production. Clash of Voices Season 1 presents Clash Dreamers in Action. This is gonna be a benefit concert for street children. Okay, the organization called Children in Street Situation. All right. This is going to be on August 7, 2024. We don't have the final venue though yet. Okay, but as soon as we have the final word on where is it going to be held, we will be announcing it to you guys. Okay, tickets are now available, only 200 pesos. Okay, so if for ticket increase, check out the official Facebook page of G1 Entertainment Production. Just look it up, G1, letter G and number 1. Okay, Entertainment Production. All right. So again, for ticket increase and reservations, message the G1 Entertainment Production Facebook page. All right. So there you go. Clash of Voices was held at the SM City Olongapo Central a couple of weeks back. So yung mga winners, yan, yung mga grand finalists, they're gonna be back to do a benefit concert for children in street situation. Once again, the date is on September 7, 2024. All right, just awaiting the final word on where it's gonna be held, the final venue info. Okay, and now a couple of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, do check out the Weekday Sabers sale. This is gonna be from August 12 to the 22nd, August 12 to 22, that is. Okay, so score up to 50% off on your everyday needs at SM Store from August 12 to 22. Turn Mondays to Thursdays into your new favorite days with exciting deals on shoes, luggage, home items, accessories, and baby wear. All right? Exciting offers await. So visit us in store today. SM Store, your everyday store. And sa mga those who are in need of Pampa Beauty products, SM Beauty nationwide price drop, all right, is happening. Get ready to shop at SM Store Olongapo Downtown and Central. SM Beauty nationwide price drop from August 15 to 18 and get up to 50% off on makeup, skincare, fragrances, hair products, and a whole lot more, right? And of course, as usual, at the SM Store. And the BDO Kabayan Tuesday. All right, check it out. BDO Remit, the remittance service brand of BDO Unibank, in partnership with SM, has an exclusive year-round promo for families overseas Filipino workers. Families called Kabayan Day. This is every first Tuesday of the month. Okay? So with the Kabayan Day, treating valued clients to discounts of up to 10% off at any nationwide branch, including the SM affiliates, of course. That's where they can avail the discounts. The SM Store, SM Appliance, SM Cinema, SM Skating, SM Bowling, SM Game Park, Sports Central, Toy Kingdom, Baby Company, Miniso, Surplus, Watsons, and Ace Hardware. Yeah, the Kabayan Day. Additional 10% off for OFWs and their families. Okay? Every first Tuesday of the month, of course. Don't forget. And get up to 40% off on food and beverages. All right? Via your BDO at Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Okay? So dine at Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant and use your BDO rewards card and avail of up to 40% off on food and beverage. Located BDO Bake Shop, no, not BDO Bake Shop, Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant is at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And also, ongoing is the Eat, Spin, and Win promo at the food court, of course. Okay, just avail 299 pesos worth of food purchase with Coca-Cola products. And you'll get the chance to eat, spin, and win. Okay, available at all food courts actually of all SM Super Malls. All right? Eat, Spin, and Win promo. Do check out the Style More, Save More promo of Our Home. All right? Get the chance to get different discounts on every appliances purchase. All right? Only at Our Home. Get special offers for a limited time only. All right? It's at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. The luggage sale is ongoing, up to 50% off, August 1 to 31 on your luggages. Your everyday store, of course, at the SM Store. Luggage sale. Get special discounts up to 50% off. And you're all invited to watch the P-pop, Pinoy pop band, boy band that is called New ID. Okay, they're going to be at the SM City Olongapo Central this coming Saturday at 5 p.m. August 17, all right, at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. So see you guys there. Mark your calendars. It's going to be this Saturday. Check out the Big Bags sale at the SM Store, of course, up to 50% off on big bags from August 1 to 31. And to celebrate our athletes that competed in the Paris Olympics, Goldilocks is offering free classic pulburon 10 pieces with every purchase, of course, on selected purchases. Okay. This is only up until today. Hanggang ngayon na lang, August 15. So you guys better hurry, huh? All right, the Job Well Done promo of Goldilocks at the all SM malls, okay? And the all-new Mitsubishi X-Force will be on mall display up until August 18. You guys might want to schedule a test drive. All right, so check it out at the SM City Olongapo Central on mall display, the all-new Mitsubishi X-Force. And lastly, the Opte booth is open to take your donations for the communities affected by Typhoon Karina. The Opte booth, Tulong Express, Operation Tulong Express at all SM malls nationwide. Okay? So there you have it. Those are the invites. Once again, as we mentioned earlier, of course, we will be having the Sam's Payday Special Radio Contest. Ayan, it's on again. So all you have to do is call me up. All right, if you know the details already. Yeah, last day today nga pala, no, for this radio contest. So you guys better hurry. Last chance na ninyo to join, okay? I'm gonna give you the number once again. 0910-6909-501. Once again, 0910-6909-501. Payday special is today, all right? All you have to do is go there at Sam's Pizza. Meron sa Magsaysay, meron sa Castillejos, and meron sa Barrio Barreto. Ayan. We have somebody calling right about now. Okay, hello caller.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Ayan. Okay. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes po, DJ.
Opo. Madam, medyo malapit ka sa radyo, no? Layo ka ng konti. Okay lang?
Okay po.
Opo, nagpi-feedback. Ayan. Layo ka sa kanya. Lisanin mo ang katawan niya. Ayan, okay. So, ayan na, malinaw na. Ayan, okay. So, are you gonna join the Sam's Pizza Payday Special Radio Contest?
Yes po.
Ayun, okay. So, ready ka na, ha?
Ready.
But first thing we need to do, I need to get your name. Ano pong pangalan nyo para ipapasa ko dun sa police station, tapos hintayin mo yung sabina. Hindi, joke lang. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Lila Mar Dicen po.
Come again?
Lila Mar Dicen.
Lila Mar Dicen. Oy,
Yes,
okay. Pang artista yung pangalan, ha? Oh. Mayaman to. Ganyan yung mga tunog ng pangalan ng mayayaman, di ba? Lila Mar, tapos Dicen, di ba?
Pwede rin.
Where are you calling from? Taga saan si Ate Lila Mar?
West Tapinak po.
West Tapinak. Ayan, okay. So, before I declare you the winner, kailangan sagutin mo yung mga tanong ko, ha? About the Sam's Pizza Payday Special. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. Ano po yung title ng promo?
Title po ng promo is Sam's Pizza Payday Sale.
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct. Kailan ito gaganapin?
Today, August 15, 2024.
Today! Wow, you really did your assignment, ha? Wow. Okay. Paano po yung promo? How does the promo go? Sige nga.
Promo po is get 2 in 1 flavors of 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos.
Wow! Murang-mura na, no? 299 lang? Tapos
Yes.
12 inches, tapos dalawa yung flavor ng 12 inches. Ang galing-galing naman. Tapos may mga flavor na i-combine, ano? Ayan.
Yes po.
So kung ikaw yung pipili, ano yung flavor na pipiliin mo dyan sa i-combine ng mga flavors nila?
Pepperoni, cheesy bacon, mushroom po.
Pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom ang gusto mo.
Yes.
Ayan. Uy, may chance ka. Pag nasagot mo na yung last question, may chance kang makakuha niya ng for free, walang bayad.
Yay!
Ayan. Tapos yung iba pang flavors, di ba? Meron ding pepperoni and beef mushroom, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon, and Hawaiian and beef mushroom. O, sige, last question na. Ano yung 3 branches kung saan available tong Sam's Pizza Payday Sale promo?
Sam's Pizza Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos.
Yay! You got it all right. Naririnig mo ba yung palakpakan?
Thank you,
Wala ka
thank
sa
you,
station,
yes.
ano? Kaya hindi mo naririnig. May palakpakan dito, ang lakas, oh. Oh, sabi,
Ayan
may
po ba?
nagsisigawan pa nga,
Ay, may
sabi,
sumisigaw.
sabi, Lila Mar, Lila Mar, sabi
Yes.
gano'n, no? Ang galing, no? Okay, you're the winner. Ang claiming today, ha? Kasi today na yung payday special, eh. Sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay ang claiming. Ayan, okay?
Okay po.
Tapos you need to bring your ID dahil ipapasa ko yung pangalan mo ngayon. Pe-present mo lang yung ID mo doon mamaya pagka nag-claim ka,
Okay.
ha? Okay?
Okay po.
Huwag mong kalimutan yung ID.
Okay po.
Yan.
Yes po.
Yan yung reason. Yan yung reason kung ba't di pinapasok yung tiger tsaka lion sa school. Walang ID. May mga gusto ka i-greet bago ka mag-bye-bye sa ating tagapakinig?
Ginigreet ko lang po lahat ng nakatira sa West Tapinac, lalong-lalo sa 4th Street, Medina, Dicen, and Basong family. Happy birthday po pala kay Kuya Arnold Basong.
Happy birthday, Kuya Arnold. Arnold ano?
Basong.
Basong?
Yes po. Tsaka
Ah.
kay Joel Laguer.
And Joel Laguer. Ayan. Alam mo ba yung Laguer nilalagay sa basong para inumin?
Ganun.
Yung lager kasi is a type of beer. Yan. Uri ng beer ang
Yeah.
lager.
Ah,
Lager.
okay.
Lager beer. Narinig mo na? Lager beer, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, di ba? Nilalagay sa
Okay.
basong para inumin. Magkamag-anak sila.
Ay, hindi po. Magkapit-bahay lang.
Magkapit-bahay lang. Oh, sige, okay. Last question na dahil tradition to rito eh. 'Di ba hindi ka naman nila nakikita, naririnig ka lang nila.
Yes,
Kaya
po.
tinatanong namin lahat ng caller, sino ang artista lookalike ni Lilamar Dicen?
Siguro si Mylene Dizon.
Uy! Lilamar Dicen tapos Mylene Dicen.
Siyempre. Pagka-connect.
Magkatunog, oh. Connect. Wow. Mylene Dizon ng West Tapinac. Congratulations to you.
Yes.
You're the winner.
Thank you
All
po.
right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so there you have it. Our last winner, last day na ngayon ng contest dahil ngayon na yung Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Special. So you guys head on to Sam's Pizza today, mamaya para bumili. 299 lang, 2-in-1 flavors na ng 12 inches pizza. How awesome is that, huh? Okay, so head on to Sam's Pizza. Meron sa Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. The branches there, okay? Sikat na sikat tong Sam's Pizza eh. Hindi ko na kailangan ibigay yung complete address. Alam nyo na kung saan na yan eh, no? Tsaka pag sumakay kayo, nag-commute kayo, sabihin nyo lang Sam's Pizza. Alam na yun, bababa kayo dun. Alright? Okay, so next up, we have this requested song. This time, music coming from Guns N' Roses, Paradise City, 895 Subic Bay Radio.